Welcome to this presentation. Today we are going to talk about remix. What is a remix? This is something that we can create, something interactive, something different, something that the students they are not going to get worried. They are going to be interested of this topic because we can use something new, some specific like a character if they like, right? Like Spider-Man or their favorite movie or something like that. Basically, what we are going to do, we need to add like an special instructions to our students in order that they are not going to get lost. For example, here we have the instructions, and then each click on each icon and do the activity that you find. And also they need to click on this like icon, and the first activity that they have, it is that they need to make the puzzle. For the time, I am not going to be able to do that because of the time, and then we are going to have another things. Then we have our presentation, that this is something about like Mr. Bean and about the present progressive, and we have some images here about an activities that Mr. Bean do, and also the structures that they are going to have time to review this activity. And then we have another activity that we need to check about if they understand about the topic. For example, here we are going to like it. They are going to choose if it is true or false. I think this is false because it is not a present progressive, and also false too. And they are going to enjoy of this activity. Then we have another one that they need to watch the video about Mr. Bean, and I think and I know that they are going to enjoy about this. They are going to have something different, and just I like share a little bit about it. And then we are going to have the last activity, that it is about story. Well, they need to write 10 sentences what Mr. Bean doing after watch the video. And for example, here we have we have this example, this sentence, and they can add another sentence, each students, and also we have a lot of like space in order that they are going to be able to do. Basically, this is about the remix that we can do at different activities to our students, and they are going to enjoy that, having something different, something new, and we need to be very innovative and also creative. We know about our students and we know what they like, and we can personalize every like tool or every activity that we are going to make.